Those are difficult films in general to get made.
I fell in love with film.
That's the way I was known for many years.
What did Hitchcock see in his girls, in his actresses? Well, first of all, they were blonde. With Mr. Hitchcock, he told me 3 things. 1, lower my voice, don't use my hands, and always look directly into Cary Grant's eyes. The last one wasn't difficult.
Beats flying, doesn't it?
We should stop.
Working with Hitchcock was very different for me, but very interesting, because although he gave me those 3 directions, somehow I could conjure up the kind of sexy spy lady he had in his mind. And I'd never played a sexy spy lady, and I've never played one since.
It's going to be a long night.
True.
And I don't particularly like the book I've started. You know what I mean?
Let me think.
He's everything you thought he was, and some. I mean, there was something almost unavailable about him, unattainable. He was larger than life.
Hello. Surprised?
Yes.
So if there were a photo of Cary Grant and myself, and wonderful of him, that I'm doing something silly or whatever, he would put the X on that to cut that out, and he would go through, and he wasn't just thinking of himself, he was thinking of me.